If you are too bored from your older Rubik's Cube, I have a good choice for you to purchase. So let's unbox the Rubik's Cube. As you can see, it comes in a white cool Rubik's Cube box. It's looking so nice. It's a Tornado V3 standard version.
$2,000 years later.
Here we get our Rubik's Cube and a box. Let's see what's inside the box. Firstly, we get a white color Rubik's Cube bag. Here we can put our cube, it will be safe here. Secondly, we get a Rubik's Cube accessory. These are some formalities. Some more formalities. And here is a X-Men Tornado card. So let's see how the Rubik's Cube is. So our Rubik's Cube come in a white transparent box. Here we can put it. And this is the interior part of our Rubik's Cube. It's too good. The cube is smooth, but it's uncontrollable too. These are magnetic part in the Rubik's Cube, as you can see. Cube can perform 30-degree corner cuts easily, but 45-degree had some lockups in the cube. Let's have a solve on the Rubik's Cube.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make.
So this is comparison with my older Rubik's Cube. It's best Rubik's Cube for a pro cuber but not for a beginner. I will give it 4 stars.